Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by checking which Pubg profile is linked, because unlinking affects that precise account. Open Twitter and sign in now. Make sure you can receive email or SMS codes since verification may be required. Once done, close Pubg or force stop the app to avoid session conflicts and keep both accounts logged in on the same device. This reduces confusion and speeds the process, so confirm platform, sign into Twitter, and prepare to open Pubg for the next steps. Now open Pubg, go to Settings, and navigate to Account or Linked Accounts. This is where connected services are managed. Find Twitter and tap Unlink or Disconnect. Pubg will usually ask you to confirm why or request re-entry of your Twitter password. Complete those prompts. Make sure you watch for any warning about losing rewards or friends list ties, and accept if you want full removal. Once Pubg confirms the unlink, pause for a moment and keep both apps open to verify the change in the Finish by verifying on both sides. Open Twitter, go to Settings and Privacy, then Apps and Sessions, and remove Pubg if it still appears. Making this change from Twitter is a reliable fallback. Then restart Pubg and confirm Twitter is gone from linked accounts. If unlinking fails, revoke Pubg from Twitter first, then repeat unlink in Pubg. This often clears stuck tokens. If problems persist, collect screenshots and reach out to Pubg support with account ID. That speeds resolution and prevents accidental loss of progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.